reading them signs. I been losing my, I been losing.
It's your boy, Matty Ray. We're I'm on my way to the sanctuary to go volunteer. Today's might be a good day, so I'm gonna show you guys around, show you where I'll be, and let's just learn something. So, like, we got 2 more Fridays till I'm done with high school. It's like an exciting feeling, but also like a little like when it puts me on my nerve. I'm like, this is gonna be real. This is gonna be something else, but something to experience, and can't wait. I'm just tired of just high school. It's so petty, really petty. Just whatever. So I'm gonna show you guys around, some birds, and maybe the eagles might be up today, so you can hear what they're like. They're really majestic far away, but once you get really close to them, they're like, can you honestly just shut up? Like, honestly. Ugh. So I'll show you around, and just stick around. What's up, people? So right now I'm at the Aviary Conditioning Center where I'll be at some Saturdays, other times with the zoo. It varies, but I'm in the little center we have where it has all the bird facts. Look around this room, it's basically all bird facts. And so, that's Professor Slinky. Check this one out. Professor Slinky. Hey. It's relax. It's alright, Slinky. It's alright. For the fans. Professor Slinky here is an American kestrel, but he's a neural problem because he keeps on looking up for no reason. Look, there he goes again. Reason he does that is because he went and just boom, just hit something really hard. But he's a cute little guy. Just loves attention sometimes. He's really cute. Plus, he's like awesome little bird. Fun facts with American kestrels: they're the actual most well known, and basically for any new falconer, they're basically the perfect bird for them. So for anybody that's starting out falconing for the first time, that's the bird they always choose. Now we got Falcor over here. You look at him, you know there's a little difference in size and color. See, he's a northern American kestrel. See, these both are subspecies cousins. So subspecies is a scientific version for like cousin-ish. That's what I believe, because these two are the same bird species, but he's different because he has to live in the north where things are bigger in the sky. So you might find some bigger birds, and you know what? He might have to be bigger. Oh, what the heck? We got some black folk. Oh, Lord, baby. Oh, Luce just chilling. European screech owl. They're small. That's as big as they're gonna get. This one's a little devil. I swear. You hold her one time, this girl will just be picking at your hand. So sometimes I be praying like I hope this is a thick glove. Anything less, she'll be biting the heck out of your hand. She's a lazy one too. Yeah, that's right. I call you lazy. I can have you on the glove and you just be like, you be laying down instead of just sitting up.
When I put her in the box, she went flat out on her stomach.
Yeah, I'm like, what kind of bird are you? Just like, I'm done, tired, going to sleep. Relax. It's not that deep, bro. I know. You don't need to be stressing over nothing, bro.
How many people are coming on Thursday night? Because Mom called me.
Papito, baboy ati. What you doing? What we doing, girl? Girl, you looking mean. I thought we liked each other. At least had each other on a more mutual level. Man, you look like you bet.
And how do you know that? Oh.
It's called a menace response. Actually, if you do it, you'll see there's a nicotinic membrane. There's a reaction if you come in at her. On this side of it, that's how we discovered she had it, and then we brought her to an ophthalmologist.
You look cold. He's shaking. He's like shaking and like relaxing. What's up with that? You good? I feel like their face is like the perfect thing for like a cult or something. Or something wisdom.
We used to actually have a peregrine falcon we used to do flight demonstrations with, but she passed away at 14 years old, but she passed away.
They lived to 15.
He used to send the lure up on a drone. He'd send it up several hundred feet up in the air for her, because she'd just circle around and go to get it. So it's pretty interesting to watch.
Like say, for example, it's tied up. Has they take a picture too?
So I undo the thingy,
Uh-huh.
and then I go like this. If it was like a
So, like, number one thing, the first thing you do is you always open the bird before he even gets up to you. You want to do this. Once he's on there, you wrap around your hands. You take it around, put it around twice with your fingers.
so take it off and then do the thing.
Yeah.
Why is he videotaping?
I'll put it on my YouTube channel first.
I see.
Oh, word? Oh, God. That's crazy. Swear to God, I swear, if you're just doing this, like, if you taking pictures, bro, I'll fight you, bro.
I'm not taking pictures, bro.
You can pick him up and throw him up in the ball.
YouTube, bro. You go sideways. I promise you.
Okay.
Wait. Oh, yeah, that's all. It's alright. So,
Okay,
yeah,
like this.
So, you think you wrap around your hand. Do that one. Because remember, they're flyers. And you wrap your fingers twice.
Then do the
It's
thing.
twice.
It is.
Alright, good. Then you do your knot. Now when you do the knot, you always just do do one thing, and it comes apart. So you have to always do this before you even consider on touching a bird. Then you have to at least know the facts about it. That's over, what was it, either 30 hours? Yeah, 30 hours of volunteering. And come here constantly. Because now Carol won't even let me hold a bird because she says, oh, I'll see you often. I'm like,
I got to hold Falcor
when? That's crazy.
a few weeks ago.
I've held like, what, 5 birds? I've held Whisper, Archer was my first bird.
Archer was your first?
Yeah, surprisingly. I was so freaking nervous when Carol was like watching me do it. One thing, you mess up one time, she'll make you like wait a whole week. Because I had school and I can't come here on Thursday and Fridays.
Yeah, me either. I can
Exactly.
only come on Saturdays.
And they're closed Sundays. So I'm like, well, I don't know what you want me to do. But
I'm just here to help, so.
honestly. And I like holding birds because it's fun. And like, if knowing when you hold a bird, they'll just have you sit out. And I just take some pictures and like just tell people facts about the birds.
What's your YouTube channel?
Mediway. That's it. There's no like numbers, no like extra nonsense like Killer Wolf, California Wolf.
How do you spell Maddie?
MATTYREY. You see a black guy with a white background, that's me. It's a nickname that I've gotten over the years. Football to just being around.
Look it up. I don't think he needs you to follow.
Very old.
So I hope you guys like that. So basically just wanted to show you guys what it's like there. But basically I'm gonna keep it short. It's awesome place for you to work with animals, and if you want to ever work with animals, just let me know. So like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I'll let you know when I drop in the video. So catch you later.